Hello and welcome to this new tutorial dedicated to task management in HIP. In this video, we will show you how to create and manage your tasks to facilitate the daily organisation of your practice. The examples presented are fictional and illustrate only the features of HIP. After logging into HIP, select the Tasks tab. By default, only open tasks assigned to the currently logged in user are displayed. In cases where multiple staff members work within the same practice, all tasks created by another collaborator and assigned to the logged-in member will appear in bold until they have been opened. If you remove the status filter, Open, all open and completed tasks will be displayed for the selected account. By removing the Assigned To filter, you will be able to view tasks from all staff members in the practice. To create a task, click on New Task. Start by selecting the relevant patient, then enter a description of the task. It is also possible to attach an encounter to this task. Then choose a due date. If necessary, you can mark the task as urgent. You can assign the task to yourself or another staff member. In this example, we will assign it to ourselves. Then click Save. The task then appears in the task list. As long as the status of the task is open, it can be modified. To do this, you can either click on the three small dots located to the right of the task or click directly on it. You can then modify the assigned collaborator as well as all the previously entered information, such as the description, due date, or priority level. Once the task is completed, you can mark it as done. For more details, you can also check our online help. The link can be found in the description. Thank you for your attention. We hope that this tutorial will help you effectively use task management in HIP and optimize the organization of your daily activities. See you soon in the next video.